If you have a spreadsheet you want to open every single day, and you actually want to know that you open this every single day, maybe you want to log every time the sheet is opened. We can do that. We can go to extensions app script and write a bit of code. Once opened, call this log. We'll go to function. We'll call this log today. We have to write a function called onOpen. This is a function that's going to run every single time the sheet is open. What we want to do is get the sheet that we're going to log on. So that's SpreadsheetApp.getActiveSpreadsheet, getSheetByName, and we're going to call it log. And we're going to sheet, append row, and we want to write this in an array. We want a timestamp, and maybe we want to look at the day. And this is just to show you that we can log different types of data here, either a day or a time or a timestamp. So the timestamp's the simplest one. It's just new, date, and you'll see these colors. It'll be blue and pink if it's a capital D. If it's not, it's wrong. There we go. Then we want to just get the day. So we'll say variable day equals, and now we're going to use the exact same thing, new date, but we're going to wrap it. We're going to wrap it with Utilities.formatDate. We're going to get the date. We're going to get time zone. I'm just going to get the time zone from the spreadsheet, and we need a format. Formatting of the days, let's just get a 2-digit day, but then also space and the whole name. We'll end that parentheses. And now we're going to use the exact same code, except the format we're going to change to HH:MM. We can test this out by closing our script and refreshing our sheet. I think we might have a mistake, which is we need to capitalize log, the name of the sheet. It has to be exactly the same as this log, or we'll get an error. If you get an error, it'll be over here on executions here, and it'll say status failed. And if you click on it, sometimes it'll actually tell you the exact reason why it failed. It says time is not defined. So let's go back to our editor. Oh yeah, we need to change this variable to time. Save. And again, let's make sure our app script is saved. We'll close it and we'll refresh the sheet. Again, you can close the sheet and reopen it if you want, but also refreshing opens it. And there's our timestamp, our day. Okay, we need to fix this. Let's go to extensions app script. And I think we need lowercase m's here, and we need EEE for the full day of the week. So we'll save all of that and refresh our sheet. And there it is, 27th Wednesday, 12:37. And here's the full date and time stamped here. Pretty cool, right? I want to show one more thing so we can get the user. Possibly you want to log who's opening this sheet. So we'll do variable user equals session.getActiveUser, get email, and we'll let's close our app script, refresh. And this one has gotten me, and you might want to check. Sometimes permissions doesn't allow you to have the user email depending on your organization and how your permissions are set up. But this should be pretty cool to be able to log who is opening the sheet when and get their email address, or whoever it is. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.